Barack Obama. We said, sort of like, Barack Obama, in a sense, Obama wrote his way to the White House. We can say this of people we used in previous workshops. So we talked about the power of particular and Lisa Blatt, a really superstar appellate advocate at Arnold Porter. And we could say, look, in a sense, Lisa Blatt wrote her way to appellate superstardom. Or with Justice Roberts. In a sense, John Roberts wrote his way to Chief Justice. First as an appellate advocate, then as a DC Circuit judge. He's really sort of based, sort of like made his mark through his writing. And so this is something when I'm talking to undergraduates, I tell them this, Mr. Nuxall.
You can write your way to a better job.
Yeah, so maybe not right out of college you can write your way to a job, but certainly when you're in your job, if you write well, you can advance really, really quickly. And this is particularly true for law students. So one of the things to remember about lawyers is that they're essentially professional writers. You get paid to write stuff. You get paid to write emails to clients. You get paid to write briefs to judges. You get paid to put words down on paper. And so if you understand that, you might start to realize that if you become a better writer, you can become a better lawyer. There's a direct relationship between those two things. And if you become a better lawyer, that means you can have better job prospects, and also you're better able to help people in need. And for an example of this, just take someone like Brian Stevenson. So Brian Stevenson is the leader of the Equal Justice Initiative in Montgomery, Alabama. And he could have all the compassion in the world. But if he couldn't put together clear, compelling sentences, he's not going to help a lot of folks. And so one of the things to understand about him in his book, Just Mercy, but particularly in the briefs he writes on behalf of indigent defendants, is that he spends a lot of time figuring out how to craft the right words. As you think about how to spend your time in law school, a pretty good use of your time is to figure out how to become a better writer.